The Sony Xperia VII was officially released on May 13, 2025. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. Special features. Pro-grade camera system. Alpha integration. Sony leverages its alpha camera expertise with features like real-time IAF, human, animal, real-time tracking, up to 30 frames per second AF/AE burst shooting, AI camera work, auto framing, and dedicated Photo Pro, Cinema Pro, and Video Pro apps. The continuous optical zoom telephoto lens is a unique hardware offering. Immersive multimedia experience. The creator mode display, coupled with powered by Bravia technology, aims for professional-grade color accuracy. The 3.5mm audio jack with powered by Walkman components and enhanced stereo speakers cater to audiophiles. Dedicated physical shutter button. A two-stage physical shutter button for a more camera-like shooting experience. MicroSD card slot. Retaining expandable storage up to 2 terabytes, a rarity in flagship phones. Long-term software support. Sony promises 4 OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Pros. Exceptional camera versatility. The combination of a strong main sensor, a significantly improved ultra-wide, and a unique continuous optical zoom telephoto lens offers unparalleled creative control. The AI-powered tracking and dedicated Pro apps are a boon for enthusiasts. Audiophile-friendly. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack with high-quality audio components and stereo speakers sets it apart from most flagships. Immersive display. The 120Hz OLED display, while not 4K, is highly color-accurate and bright, ideal for content consumption. Top-tier performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite ensures smooth and powerful operation for any task. Expandable storage. The microSD slot is a welcome feature for users who need ample storage. Durable build. IP65/IP68 and IP6X ratings provide good water and dust resistance, and Gorilla Glass Victus offers decent protection. Long software support. For OS updates and 6 years of security patches offer excellent longevity. Physical camera button provides a satisfying and practical shooting experience. For cons. Telephoto image quality. While the continuous optical zoom is innovative, some reviews indicate that the telephoto camera can produce softer results compared to competitors' fixed-zoom telephoto lenses. Charging speed. 30W wired and 15W wireless charging are notably slower than many other flagships in 2025. Video performance. While capable of 4K 120 frames per second, overall video sharpness and stabilization might not match the very best in the market. Battery life. Mixed reviews. While the 5000 mAh battery is decent, some tests suggest average active use scores, potentially due to the high-performance processor and display. Front camera. The 16MP front camera's performance can be underwhelming. High price. Sony's flagships typically come with a premium price tag, which might be a barrier for many. Limited availability. Historically, Sony Xperia phones have had more limited availability in certain regions, which can make them harder to purchase. Overall conclusion. The Sony Xperia VII continues Sony's tradition of catering to creative professionals and multimedia enthusiasts. Its unparalleled camera system, featuring continuous optical zoom and deep integration with Sony's alpha technology, makes it a powerhouse for mobile photography and videography. The dedication to a premium audio experience with the 3.5mm jack and Walkman components also sets it apart. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The charging speeds are behind the curve, and while the camera system is incredibly versatile, some aspects like telephoto sharpness and overall video quality might not always outperform competitors in simple point-and-shoot scenarios. The high price and potential regional availability issues are also factors to consider. If you prioritize manual control over your mobile photography, appreciate high-quality audio, and value unique features like expandable storage and a physical shutter button, the Xperia VII is a compelling and niche-leading device. For those seeking the absolute best in automated point-and-shoot camera performance or blazing fast charging, other flagships might offer a more streamlined experience.